Write an inverse 3.
Write an inverse 3.
Again inverse 3.
Again inverse 3.
Write correct 3.
Write correct 3.
Again 3.
Again 3.
Draw eyes and beak.
Draw eyes and beak.
Draw paws.
Draw paws. Add details.